In the next 25 years, a country may still have citizens, passports, and a government, but no land. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Welcome to Hazel Eleanor, where we break down the stories shaping the future of humanity. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean lies one of the smallest countries on Earth, Tuvalu, home to just 11,000 people. Recently, something unprecedented happened. More than 82% of the entire population applied to leave their own country. Not for better jobs, not for education, but because their country is sinking. Tuvalu is one of the lowest-lying nations in the world. Its average elevation is just 2 meters above sea level. The highest point, only 4.6 meters. That means even small storms flood homes, roads, and farmland. There is no higher ground to escape to. No hills. No backup plan. NASA satellite data shows that over the last 30 years, sea levels around Tuvalu have risen 15 centimeters faster than the global average. By 2050, floods that happen a few days a year today will happen 25 days every year. By 2100, the country could be flooded 100 days a year. This is not a distant future problem. This will happen within one human lifetime. Other coastal cities can relocate people inland. Tuvalu can't. The entire country is flat. They've tried building artificial land and seawalls, but Tuvalu is poor, remote, and heavily dependent on foreign aid. These solutions buy time, they do not buy survival. So Tuvalu prepared for the unthinkable. In 2023, Tuvalu signed a treaty with Australia. Every year, 280 citizens will receive permanent residency under the world's first climate visa. More than 8,700 people applied. Australia didn't choose based on skills, age, or education. They used a lottery. Imagine your country dying and your future being decided by random numbers. International law says a country needs land and a permanent population. But what happens when the land disappears? Tuvalu refused extinction. They changed their constitution and declared themselves a virtual nation. Even if the islands sink, Tuvalu will still exist. Right now, Tuvalu is being digitally preserved. Homes, trees, landmarks, all being 3D scanned. People are recording stories, songs, and dances. They're trying to save their culture before the ocean erases their homeland. The government plans to operate online with digital passports, digital records, and digital citizenship. A country in the cloud? Here's the brutal truth. Tuvalu's carbon footprint is almost zero. Yet it may disappear first. Just 20 countries are responsible for nearly 80% of global emissions. The people paying the highest price did the least to cause the problem. Tuvalu is not the tragedy. It's the warning. By 2050, nearly 800 million people worldwide are at risk from rising sea levels. If you think this can't affect you, you're wrong. Just early. Tuvalu may become the first country to survive without land, but it won't be the last place forced to make impossible choices. Climate change is no longer about polar bears or future generations. It's about who loses their home first and who gets to pretend it's not their problem. This is Hazel Eleanor. And this was a story the world can't afford to ignore.